Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the new wireless sport earbuds slash just earbuds in general. I'll get into that in a bit. As you can see in the thumbnail, these are the new E6 wireless earbuds. We have the pink version. They have multiple different colors available. I know they have black, maybe blue, gray, and I think pink. Not too sure on that, don't quote me, but something like that. So let's get into the specs real quick. As you can see right here, I'll put the specs on the left side so you don't have to zoom in or whatever. E6, Bluetooth 5.0, input 5 volts, 1 amp. Sensitivity is 104, 3Ds. Working distance is 10 meters, 6.0 millimeter drive, 800 milliamp case, and that's pretty much it. Let's get straight into it. I haven't worked with this company in a while, but I know they make really good audio quality and tech in general. All right, let's get into it. This is what it looks like. Obviously they got the pink one, so for the ladies or maybe even some men. These actually do kind of blend in with some skin tones. Like, I mean, I'm a little darker, but some skin tones you can actually match it pretty well. So that's pretty cool. So this is the case. It's big, but it's meant for sport, and I'll show you in a bit. So this has branding on the top. This is a really soft case. 800 milliamps right here on the back. And then right here you have a Type-C port, 4 LED indicators on the front. Let's go ahead and open it. So as you can see, they do flash, and then you have left and right branding. They are magnetic, and the silicone tips are white, which is really cool. And then underneath this, you have a ton of accessories. So right here, I'll go ahead and open this. All right, so let's just get into it. I know I could have ripped it, but I want to use my knife. So you got a ton of options here. So you got these ones, which is, I'll show you in a bit. You probably saw in the intro, but you can make it into normal sized earbuds. They're flat, they are rubber, so they'll be a little bit more in your ears better. You have extra small, small, medium, and large silicone tips. I believe medium is pre-applied, but not too sure. But yeah, you get those sizes, which is really helpful. So you have a USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable. So you rarely have to charge this since it has an 800 milliamp, but it's really cool that because you can fast charge it with Type-C. All right, and then you have an important notice, a user guide here. Very clear instructions. I like the paper they used. It's recycled. And then right here you have a thank you card. So let's get into the earbuds, and we'll show you these new wingtips. So here are the earbuds, like I said before. So let's get the right one. And you can actually just remove this, and it's a normal size earbud. So you can basically use these as normal earbuds, wear around the house or in public without working out, and obviously the color that you like. And then when you want to, you can just put them into sport mode, throw them in your gym bag, and then go ahead and work out with them. It's really, really cool. And not to mention, these are really good sounding, really good clear bass, good audio. I have no complaints with this. I wish it probably, I don't know if it does have wireless charging, but if it doesn't, then I wish it did. Yeah, it doesn't have wireless charging, so I wish it had wireless charging. But other than that, it's a really good pair of earbuds. Let's go ahead and put the little rubber thing on here first. All right, so that's what it looks like. And sometimes you could buy like different colors. I'm not too sure if it'll fit, but you can sometimes buy different colors. So that's what that looks like, and it looks really, really good. So it's very seamless. You won't feel that little ear hook, and they do still fit in the case, as you can see. And if you wanted to, I probably think you could store this. Technically you can. Yeah, technically you can still store those other earbud tips in there. So you can just put them in there. It'll basically close. Not all the way, but it'll almost close. And then you can just throw that in your gym bag whenever you need to use that part, then you're good. So that's pretty much all I have to say about these earbuds. I don't know what else. I'm gonna do some more testing and some B-roll and stuff like that. But these are a really good pair of earbuds for like less than $30. I highly recommend it. Once again, let me just throw that up. There's different colors. They sent the pink one. There's different colors. Personally, I would use these if they were a different color. No hate on pink though, but I would use these if they're a different color for me personally. But I will be giving these to my mom since my mom does need new earbuds. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.